Success doesn't wait for daylight. When dawn breaks, it's already on the road. That's why you chose a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It carries your name and your reputation. But the best on the road needs the best technicians who understand it. Experts who speak fluent Sprinter. Because this is more than an oil change. It's diagnostics that go deeper than a dash light. It's complete underbody checks, so nothing falls through the cracks. It's oil, fuel, and cabin filter replacements to help keep your engine running flawlessly. It's advanced systems and software checks and rotor, brake, and tread inspections to make sure your business never goes flat. All done with only Mercedes-Benz genuine parts and fluids by Mercedes-Benz technicians who are factory trained and certified. From brake lines to your bottom line, no detail gets overlooked. So when your Sprinter leaves this bay, it's carrying your tools, your crew, and your livelihood with confidence. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Service.